So we here at A.CRE get dozens of emails every day, and those emails vary from questions directly to Michael or I related to careers or related to uh, real estate financial modeling projects. But many of those are also somewhat common questions. Questions about a model, questions about the accelerator, questions about technical issues related to the website or any of the models. And so what we've been doing over the last few months is developing a support section within Adventures in CRE. We call it A.CRE Help, where before you feel a need to email us, you could come in and browse what are now hundreds of mini articles and FAQs related to the most common questions that we get. And so one of the members of our administrative staff, Lizzie Boyer, spent several months aggregating all of the questions that we receive through our email addresses and compiling them into a database that we hope will help you as you're using our models, using the accelerator, reading our articles, and building your own career. So over the next few minutes, I'm going to share this A.CRE Help section, talk through how to use it, and hopefully it will be of benefit to you as you continue to be a valued A.CRE reader. Now, you'll start here at adventuresinCRE.com/support, and you can find this on the Adventures in CRE homepage by coming up here to the upper right-hand corner, and you'll see this A.CRE Help button. You can also find it in any of the A.CRE sub-menu items, A.CRE Help. So we come here to A.CRE Help, and you'll drop on the front page, and along the top is a general search bar. You can do kind of a popular search of how do I or what is or why. And then we have really two sections, an FAQ and a knowledge base. We also added a link to our CRE glossary because many of the questions are related to terms or concepts in real estate, and I think you'll find many of those answers inside of our glossary. Also on the homepage down below, you'll find some of the more commonly read articles as well as topics related to the various questions that we get. Now, if I were to start and I had a question, say, about what's the right model to use for my situation, and let's imagine that I am looking to develop an apartment complex. So I might come up here and type in apartment and then maybe development, and I hit enter, and it's going to list just some articles that contain the words apartment and development. So for instance, does the apartment development model work if I don't plan on selling the asset? Or what are some models for ground up apartment development? And this might be the answer to my question. What are some models for ground up apartment development? And here, this answer provides a couple links, one to an apartment development model we have on the front end, as well as to our all-in-one model for underwriting, development, and acquisition. You'll then down below also see some related articles that may or may not be of benefit. Now, at any time, if you want to return to the subsection where you were in, you can see up here there is a breadcrumb where you can follow kind of the taxonomy, the process, the structure, how you got here. So this, what are some models for ground up development, is part of the what model should I use for section, which is inside of our knowledge base. So you can click this knowledge base and it'll take you right back here to the start. Now, another thing you can do is just browse. So maybe we want to go look through the most frequently asked questions. And here off to the left, you see the categories: the Accelerator, A.CRE models, Excel and other programs, and general A.CRE FAQs. So maybe we look at models. You'll see that under models, these are the most frequently asked questions. It's not all of the questions. In fact, there are hundreds more, but these would be the most frequently asked. So for instance, do we offer consulting services? And there's a response to that where we don't specifically, but there is a team of A.CRE Accelerator graduates who have offered to provide consulting services, and there's a list where you can find those individuals and get help from them. Can I download a real estate Excel model without taking the accelerator? And so here are the most frequently asked questions. More than likely, though, your question won't fall within the FAQ, and so you would come up here and either return to the home page of A.CRE Help, click the logo here, take you right back to here. Or you can click the knowledge base or this knowledge base button. And here we can now browse the knowledge base rather than searching. So we browse, and let's imagine that we're interested in, say, joining the Accelerator Real Estate Financial Modeling Training Program. We can click this Accelerator non-member, and under here you'll find the most frequently asked questions from those that are considering taking the Accelerator. Maybe we come back, again, come up to our breadcrumbs and click knowledge base. And instead of that, let's say that we had some questions around career advice. And most of the career advice questions are specific to the individual, but we do have a few that we consider more general, and we've answered those in this section here. So that is A.CRE help. Of course, many of the questions, inquiries, don't fall within the help section. And here you can click Contact Us. And in the Contact Us, this is the form where you can reach out to us. Michael and I are always happy. We have a team to help respond to those questions, and when they're directed directly to us, we do our best to respond in a timely fashion. We only ask that if you do have a question, if it would be helpful, head over to the help section. Maybe you can get your question answered quicker than emailing us directly. So thank you again for your continued support of A.CRE. We're excited to launch this section. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.